Bienvenue à tous. Welcome everyone on this first session of few videos to learn French. So I'm really happy to present you this first video about how to present yourself, how to introduce yourself in French. So in this order, we'll see few expressions you can use to express who you are, where you live, and what you like. So let's start. I will present myself, introduce to you who I am. I will first use the verb to be. The verb to be at this form is I am. In French, we'll use je suis. Je suis. This verb is very useful because I can present my citizenship. For example, je suis français et polonais. I have a double citizenship. Je suis français et polonais. The verb to be, je suis, can also be very useful to express who I am, what is my job. Je suis professeur de français. Je suis professeur de français. So let's start with this verb. Être, to be. When you will introduce yourself, you will always use this form. Je suis. I am. So, to introduce your citizenship, you will use different forms. Je, to say, for example, je suis Canadien. Je suis Canadienne. As you can see here, je suis Canadien, je suis Canadienne. We have a different form of the noun. Canadien, Canadienne. On this second time, here we add N, E. N, E. Why? Because Canadienne is a girl. Okay? When it's feminine, you will add N, E. Je suis Canadien, je suis Canadienne. Let's see with québécoise. Je suis québécois for the masculine form. Je suis québécoise for the feminine form. Here we will add E. E. And last but not least, to present your citizenship. You are from Philippines. Je suis philippin. Je suis philippin. The masculine form. Je suis philippine. The feminine form. Okay? Now, let's see a few examples. John vient de l'Alberta. Il est canadien. John vient de l'Alberta. Il est canadien. Okay? Here we have a change of form. The verb to be becomes est because we're talking about John. We're not anymore talking about ourselves. In the case we would use je, but here, if we're talking about John, we'll use il. Il est canadien. The second example, Charlotte vient du Québec. Charlotte is from Québec. Elle est québécoise. Elle est québécoise. As you can see, the verb remains the same. Il est, elle est. What will change is the form of the adjective. Québécois becomes québécoise with an E at the end. So, John vient de l'Alberta, il est canadien. Charlotte vient du Québec, elle est québécoise. À vous, maintenant, je viens des Philippines, je suis philippin, je suis philippine. You can pause that video and try to pronounce it yourself. Okay, we will now see how to introduce your job. To introduce your job, you will always use the verb je suis. Okay, for this is your identity, who you are, what is your job, it's a part of your identity. So you will use je suis. Je suis soudeur, masculine form. Je suis soudeuse, féminine form. Je suis cuisinier. Je suis cuisinière. Je suis nettoyeur professionnel. Je suis nettoyeuse professionnelle. Je suis camionneur. Je suis camionneuse. You can see there's many change here for each jobs, okay? Because in French we have different type of the job depends on the gender, so you can have these endings like and this ending like euse if it's a girl. Okay. Now it's your turn. Try to say your job. If you cannot find it on the last diapo, please write it in the comments so I will answer it and tell you how to pronounce your job. Je suis. Okay. We will now switch to the verb vivre, le verbe vivre, to live. The form for the je is je vis, like that. Remember to not pronounce the S. Je vis, I live. So if you want to introduce your place of living, you will use je vis à cette île, par exemple. Je vis à cette île. I'm living at cette île. Je vis au Québec. I live in Quebec. Here, you can remark that we use different words. For this first, we used à. Je vis à cette île. For the second one, we used au. Je vis au Québec. Why? In French, you use à before a city and au ou en before a country or a province. So if you want to say je vis in a city, je vis à. But if you want to be more general, not so specific, you can say je vis au Québec. Je vis au Canada. Okay? Let's see a few examples. John vit à Calgary, en Alberta. John vit à Calgary, en Alberta. Okay, you see here, we used à. John vit à Calgary, because Calgary is a city. John vit en Alberta. This is more general. This is where Calgary is, so we'll use en. Same here for Charlotte. Charlotte vit à Montréal. À Montréal, Montréal is a city, so we use à. But Montréal is in Quebec, so we'll use au for Quebec. Charlotte vit à Montréal, au Québec. Charlotte vit à Montréal, au Québec. Maintenant, ce sera à vous. Your turn. Je vis. You can pause the video and try to pronounce your place of living. Okay, so far we saw two different verbs, être, je suis, vivre, je vis, aimer, we will see now the verb aimer. J'aime. Aimer. To like. J'aime. I like. This verb is very useful to present your hobbies, what you like to do in everyday life, what are your hobbies, your passions, okay? Donc, pour présenter vos passions, introduce your hobbies. Few examples here. J'aime jouer au basket. J'aime cuisiner. J'aime le karaoké. J'aime jouer au basket. I think you can guess this one. I like playing basketball. J'aime jouer au basket. J'aime cuisiner. I like to cook. J'aime cuisiner. J'aime le karaoké. I like karaoke. Here, Tony aime jouer au basketball. Tony aime jouer au basketball. Linda et Corinne aiment le karaoké. Linda et Corinne aiment le karaoké. As you can see here, Linda et Corinne, we have two people, okay? Two girls. In this case, the form of the verb aimer will change. As you can see, the ending ENT is what we add when the subject is plural, as here. Linda et Colin aiment le karaoké. M, ENT. Maintenant, à vous, essayez de dire quelles sont vos passions. Vous pouvez arrêter cette vidéo et essayer de dire ce que vous aimez en utilisant les exemples indiqués sur le diaporama. Si vous ne trouvez pas, if you can't find the hobbies here, please write it in the comment so I will answer what is the right sentence. You can pause the video now. Okay, so that's the end for the lesson for today. We saw how to introduce yourself using three verbs. We used the verb je suis, to be, I am, the verb j'aime, I like, what I like, et le verbe je vis, to say where you live. Okay? In the next video, we will show what are the different other ways to introduce yourself, or what can we use to give other information about us. Merci, thank you, et à bientôt pour les prochaines vidéos, and see you later for other videos.